Hey folks, how you doing? I'm going to teach you how to play Mexico by the Staves. So, thanks to BBC Six Music for introducing me to the song. It's a fabulous song. It's really simple to play. And it's the harmony that makes it such a beautiful song. Harmony in the vocals. But as a fingerstyle song, it's quite easy. So I hope you'll enjoy learning this with me. I'll put a video of the song on my channel so you can watch the whole song. But you could always just listen to the band. And I will put the tablature for this on my Patreon. I'll put it up for free, so you can download it for free. If you would like to, of course, join my Patreon, that would be amazing. You can join for as little at the moment as $1 a month. I might put it up. But for now, that's the lowest, and you'll get access to some other lessons I'm putting out. So, first thing we're going to do for this song is we're going to change our tuning a little bit. So right now I'm in standard. I'm going to go down to drop D. So I'm going to bring the low E string down to D. Which means we get that lovely 6-string D major chord. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the G string. This took me a little while to figure out, but stay with me here. We're going to bring it down to F sharp. There. The reason for which is now we get this. You'll see why that's important as we learn the song. So if you want to play in the same key as the recording, we're going to put the capo on the 3rd fret. The capo's put as sharp a little bit. Right, so that's us tuned up. The song opens with the 5th fret of the 5th string and the open 4th string, so it's exactly the same note, playing with our thumb and index, and then we're going to move down to the 4th fret, but keep that open 4th string going, then up to the 7th, so same pattern, back to the 5th. Then the 2nd, then open, then 5th fret on the 5th and 6th. So that's the intro and is also the tune for the verses. If you want to play it like the band, instead of hitting the change of note on the beat, there's actually a little slide, so it would be. If you want to be entirely accurate, then that's how you would play it. I tend not to do that. It's much easier, especially when you're singing. So we get to the first verse. Take it back or let me go. It's better if I tell you so. I hurt you once before and I'll do it again. Then we get the next verse. Everyone I know is gone. I don't even know myself. I'm saving love. Then it repeats to take a trip to Mexico. Mexico. I heard it's the place to go. I want to see the colours of another sky. And then we get this, slides up, back down. So that's a little transition note that takes us from the verse to the chorus. Okay, it goes like that. And then we're ready for the chorus. Okay, this chorus starts on the 3rd fret. So again we've got the open 4th string, 2nd fret, open, and that's the reason why we change our G string down to F sharp. There's a little bit of syncopation going on there when you bring that. So it's on the off beat. That repeats. And then we do it again. Then it changes the. To the 5 and 5. That I dreamed about before. So after the chorus we get a little interlude. Basically a verse with no words. And then we're into verse 4. Lover, you may cause me tears, drag me through the best of years, but I love you so. And then that repeats for verse 5, which is any of the songs I wrote. Any of the songs I wrote, older than a year or two, but I love you so. Into the chorus. Carry me home on your shoulders, syncopation. We get a bridge or an interlude. So sliding up to the 9th, 10th, 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, and then this bit you know. Then we get another chorus. And we've completed it. Last verse. Lover, you may cause me tears, drag me through the best of years. But I love you so. Now it just finishes like that. But if you want to resolve it, sometimes I just play an open 6th string. So there you go, a very simple song, very effective song. Most of the joy of the song comes in the singing. The accompaniment just basic and simple. But it's a really nice, simple fingerstyle song for a beginner if you want to learn how to play something easy just using these 2 fingers. And if you can get some backing singers, then so much the better. Get some harmony on your vocals that really brings it to life. Well, thanks for watching this. If you would like to learn some more songs from me, subscribe to the channel. I'll be publishing more as we go through the year. And if you want to follow me as I learn to play from the Frederick Node's Solo Guitar Playing Volume 1, then I'm publishing weekly lessons on that as I go through the book, which you can find the lessons for in the playlist here on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.